how to download your background, your video background using Canva. Hi guys, good day to you all. It's your beautiful girl Steph Goldward, and this is my world. So guys, let's dive in straight into what I want to show you guys. I want to share with you how you can simply download your background using Canva app. I love you all. So let's go to Canva. First of all, make sure you have your Canva app on your phone. If you're using Android, go to Play Store, download quickly. You are using iPhone, go to App Store and download your Canva. Let's go in straight. I'll click on my Canva app. So this is the interface, guys. First, we'll be using a YouTube thumbnail, because it's a landscape shape. That is why we'll be using it. So it's much better using the YouTube thumbnail. So I will search it, or you can see it there already. You can click from here. It's all the same, or you search it from the search box. You just type in YouTube thumbnail. It will bring you to this page. So now guys, the next step is you click on elements. As you click on elements, you see different. Is where you pick your designs, the things you use to design your work. So now as you are scrolling down, look at this AI image generator. You click on generate your own. Click on it. So this is it, guys. Image. Now we are here to create the background that we'll be using for our videos. You see this place they wrote describe what you did like to create. You just click on it. So just try and explore this place, like play around with this box, type in whatever you want, then the AI generator will generate it for you. Okay, let's type in create a beautiful bedroom with a picture frame on the wall with inscribed word keep pushing. So this is it. Now let's click on generate image. So as you click on generate image, you have to wait for some minutes or seconds for the picture to formulate. You have to wait for the generator to generate you the image you are seeking for. So now guys, look at our background image is here already. One more thing, in case you do not like this particular image, maybe you don't like the settings or whatever, then click on generate again. And so guys, this is it after I clicked on generate again. I think I love this. The background color, everything, the setting is okay for me. So now what I have to do now is just to click on this image. It has now come into our workspace. You now have to take it to this end, drag the image, like this. Okay, let's bring it down so that I think this is okay. It's okay like this. Let me check. I want this right up to come up. Okay, it's okay like this for me. You have to drag it, drag it as you want, drag it to the position you want it to be. If you want to carry it up, maybe you like it like this, anyhow you want it, just drag the image to a reasonable size of your choice. Now I'm okay with this background, So the next thing I have to do is to click on this arrow in a box up here. Click on this place to save the image to your phone. You now click on download. So it depends on your choice. If you want to use the PNG, I'm going for the JPG. So make sure that this 80 here, the quality 80 here, you take it to 100. Make sure it is 100 for better results. You click on download. So now guys, let's wait for our image to download and what's saved to our phone. So guys, we are done saving it. Let's now minimize this and go back to photos to see if our image is downloaded to our phone. So this is it guys, this is it. This is our background image. Don't forget to follow, like and share this video, my beautiful people. If you love this video, don't forget to like and share. Share. Make sure your girls ministry goes viral. And thank you so much as you are doing so. See you guys on my next video. I love you all. Bye.